Hello everyone, it's Chris here. A few weeks ago I've made a video about updating my office with IKEA LÅDMAKARE storage system. That video gets a quite good reception, but there were also a few questions, so I was thinking, maybe it's a good idea to do an extra video presenting a bit more about Lådmakare system, as it's quite new. Yeah, so Lådmakare is a system. So first, what you need to understand, it contains few elements, and we can filter it here to see. So we have the side panels, you need them always. Shelves in two sizes, longer shelf, shorter shelf, middle panel if you want to build more than single section, cabinet with sliding doors, which I was not very happy with the opening size, and a shelf insert which divides the space into two parts. There are also some general limitations within this system. You cannot have the sliding doors cabinet above each other, and you can even see this in all these demo pictures that they are always, let's say, diagonally to each other or next to each other, but never one over another. This is due to the construction where the bottom plate and the top plate have some kind of dado cut for sliders, but you cannot modify it by yourself, and there is only a top and bottom part, so there is no middle one, so you cannot install the doors. Another limitation in Lådmakare, you don't have any back panel which adds stiffness to this construction, so it relies only on affixing to a wall. And under some shelves and above the top shelves you can see attachment points, and yes, every single vertical panel needs to be attached to a wall. You also see here that we have no holes for different location of shelves, so the shelves are in fixed positions, and this leads to some consequences. We have a shelf divider which can be removed or added, it just slides, but with a divider we have a quite low shelves, and without divider it's quite high. You can see that I'm placing the smaller books and then it's okay, but the bigger books or magazines or something like that, they need to lay flat. So I would say it's so this is more like a display piece of furniture, not a bookshelf. For a bookshelf, Billy is way better choice. Because of the depth of the cabinet, you can see that it's just too deep for a typical smaller books, and the bigger ones needs to lay flat, so this makes just no sense. Weight limitation per shelf is 20 kilograms for the longer ones and 10 kilograms for shorter ones. I would say this is much more a display furniture, not a bookshelf, so you can use it much more like that way. Thank you for this week and see you next Sunday. Subscribe if you like it.